Hello friends, in today's video we'll see how we can update the app icon. So you can see here we had not made any changes to the app icon in the previous video, and that's why the standard Android icon is displayed over here. So we are going to change it as per our requirement. To update the app icon, first we'll go to resource folder, new, and then image asset. We will call our icon as calendar, and then we'll go to clip art. Here we'll change the icon. So I'll search for calendar icon. So we have two. I will select this. You have different options like fill, outline, to color. So here I'm selecting filled. You also have round, sharp. So you can select whatever you like. So I just want it to be simple filled. Select that, click on OK. Next, I want to change the color of the icon. So here I can change the color. I will select this as the foreground color. Here I can set the background color. Asset type should be changed to color. And then we select this. OK. OK. So here you can see something called as show safe zone. So we have to go to foreground layer, and we have to make sure that our foreground layer is within this safe zone so that it is displayed properly. So we will have to resize the foreground so that it is within the safe zone area. So this we have done, and there are more options like the shape. You can change the shape. So here I'll keep square. And yeah, I think we have seen all the options here. Yeah, there's also one option here, text. So you can also plan to add a text of 1 or 2 letters so that it is visible properly, not too many letters. And make sure again it should be within the show safe zone area so that it is displayed properly on the mobile screen. So, but yeah, we'll go ahead with the clip art which we have created. And yes, we have renamed it, and we will see next. Yes, window finish. So now if you see in the resource folder, web map, so here you can see calendar round. So the icon which we have created is available with us now. So where should we use this icon? Yes, so we have to go into this manifest file folder, and then we have to select this Android manifest.xml. So here you can see this Mipmap IC launcher. So this was the previous icon, and we have changed this. I mean, we have created a new icon. We would like to use that. So we just add the name IC calendar. Okay, and for the round icon, we have to make sure that we have the same IC calendar. Okay, so that it is displayed accordingly. Wherever there is a round icon, the round icon is displayed of the calendar. So yes, I think we have done all the changes. We'll save it. And then we'll run and see. And now you can see the newly created icon on the mobile screen. I hope this video was useful. Thank you.